Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Play Store and tapping your profile icon. This gives direct access to Play Protect. Once there, tap Play Protect to view scanning controls and recent activity. Make sure your device is online so signatures and app data are current. You should also confirm that Google Play Services is up to date in settings, since Play Protect uses it to scan apps and report threats. Now proceed to enable and configure Play Protect for active scanning. You next enable active scanning by toggling scan apps with Play Protect to on. This allows automatic checks for harmful behavior. Once done, open the gear icon and enable the optional Improve Harmful App Detection to send anonymous data for better threat recognition. After configuring, run a manual scan via Scan Device to check installed apps now. Make sure you review any flagged apps and inspect app details to decide whether to uninstall or trust a safe app. You finish by reviewing Play Protect alerts and taking action. Uninstall or disable any apps flagged as harmful or follow removal prompts. Make sure to keep Android, Play Store, and Google Play services updated so detection stays effective. If Play Protect didn't scan or shows errors, clear the Play Store cache, force stop the app, then reboot and update Play services. This often resolves missed scans. If problems persist, remove recent apps installed before the issue and run another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.